IP-20N 1RU Introduction. When unpacking the IP-20N 1RU, this is what you should find. On the right side of the chassis are the grounding connection and two holes through which to connect the chassis to the 19-inch rack. There are two more holes on the other side of the chassis. Make sure to use all four holes to connect the chassis to the rack. The PDC, power distribution card, that comes with the IP-20N is, by default, a dual feed card that enables you to have power redundancy. It takes minus 48 volts DC with toleration of minus 38 volts DC to minus 60 volts DC. This is slot number 2. The allowed cards that can be used in this slot are RMCA, RMCB, Ethernet LIC, TDM LIC, and RICD. Slot number 1 is for the TCC, or traffic control card. There are 4 types of TCC: TCCB, TCCB-MC, TCCB2, and TCCB2XGMC. The filter slot arrives by default without a filter. We recommend installing a filter at sites that are in dirty environments or where there are bugs that can get inside the device. Slot number 3 can be populated with the following cards: RMCA, RMCB, RMCE, TDM LIC, and RICD, but cannot be populated with TDM LIC or RMCA when working with TCCB-MC and TCCB2XGMC. Slot number 4 can be populated with the same card types as slot number 3. Slot number 5 comes with a blank cover and can also be populated with the same card types as slot number 3. And slot number 6 is identical to slot number 5. The fan is supplied with the IP-20N chassis. When inserting the TCC, the card should be inserted gently all the way in. Then, the ejectors must be pushed in all the way so that the card will be inserted properly. Then, use a flat screwdriver to gently tighten the screws. When inserting the TDM LIC card, make sure that there are no springs on the bottom of the card, as they may cause problems with the E1s or T1s. When you insert a card into slot 2 to 6 of the chassis, put the card all the way in and then push the ejectors down. Then, use a flat screwdriver to gently tighten the screws. See the card inserted in slot number 2, LIC-X-E4 ELEC. To prevent the unit from overheating, make sure to close any open slots with a blank cover for good fan functionality. Only 2 screws need to be used for a blank cover. Here you can see the card inserted to slot number 4, RMCB.